So yini lento yokuba umfundi? What does it mean to be a disciple? So ngizama ukuchaza lokho nje namhlanje. So that wonke umuntu understand ukuthi ukuba umfundi kubaluleke kangakanani. Asibizelwanga uba ama church members. Eqinisweni. uJesu akafuna ama church members, ufuna abafundi. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi, ngesinye isikhathi, ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi kwenzeka ukuthi izwi likaNkulunkulu uma ngilifunda ngingali understand ngalendlela ebekufanele ngili-understand ngayo until ngibe willing ukulitshela omunye. Ngoba liyizwi likaNkulunkulu noma ngingali-understand, kodwa lona yilo. So ngesikhathi ngilitshela wena, ngithola ukuthi sengikhona ukuli-understanda better. Akekho umuntu ongathi uthole isambulo esivela kuNkulunkulu bese yena lowo muntu areject uJesu. Ngoba uJesu indodana kaNkulunkulu, yena noBaba bamunye. So uNkulunkulu angeke akhuluma into ezokwenza abantu basuke kuJesu, kunaloko uzokhuluma into eletha abantu kuJesu. So ke yingakho uma umuntu ethi ayi mina ngikhonza uNkulunkulu, uJesu indaba yakhe angizwa kahle, ulahlekile vele. Ngoba ukwazi ukuthi wazi uNkulunkulu ungamfundi. Bakhona abantu abaye bathi bona bakhonza uNkulunkulu kodwa uJesu abakholelwa kuye. Lukhona uhlobo lwabantu abanjalo. uJesu abamboni as a son of God.
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, akupayelena Christmas. Nganginene ngwamadonsela ngumtimande ngopambulu ngabambili zeza nonini ekhakhonina kamntama. On sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James today on sound and camera. Ganda is not around, but it's coming in a minute. We on Grace. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Please subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership and also donate. Our details shown after the disclaimer. Thank you so much to those who are doing that. We highly appreciate it. We really appreciate it. May the Lord bless you. Thank you. And don't skip the adverts. They help the channel. They're also supporting the channel. So thank you so much to those who also doing that. We really appreciate it. We nominated as the best podcast of the year. Please, you can vote. The link is on the description. You can just go there and vote for us. And also our t-shirts are available. They cost only 300 Rand. You can just WhatsApp us and tell us which color do you want, then we will bring it to you. So James, are we on Grace?
We on Grace, and then Tanduguti is summer teachings.
Yeah, time for teachings.
It's teachings time. Time for teachings. Yeah.
The teacher is here.
Yeah, the teacher is here, and we are ready to learn.
Okay. I also love it. I also love teachings because you grow. I really love it. And also the testimony, you can learn some lesson and you can see what people went through. But I really love teachings because they grow you spiritually, like they straightforward with you see. So yeah, I also love teachings. Babu Lala is back. This is part 2.
Yeah, I would like to say part 2 of teachings, ne?
Yeah,
it's part 2.
Yes.
Part 2 of teaching.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, we're starting it. Okay, I see. Perfect. It's part 2 of teaching. Yes. School time. The bell. Babudladla, welcome to the show.
Yes, sibonga kakhulu sibingelele kuwe Bhuti Chris no James. Siyabingelela kubo bonke ababukeli abasemakhaya. Siyambonga uNkulunkulu kakhulu ukuthi ke aphinda senzele leli thuba lokuthi sifundiswe nje likaNkulunkulu. Asinazi into eziningi esizilethile, silethizwi likaNkulunkulu. And kuloko futhi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngiphinde ngigcizelele kakhulu ukuthi sibheka amazwi uJesu awafundisile. Yonke into ayikhulumile silandelela yona ngoba kunezinto uJesu ayishilo ezibalulekile kwakhe impilo yethu kamoya. So uJesu ma esefikile kunezinto ayifundisa, so silandelela zona nje. So bengicela ukuthi kulesikhathi before singaqhubeka ke sithandaze. Baba siyakubonga egameni lenkosi uJesu. Kulesi sikhathi we humble ourselves in your presence. Sikhulekela kuba izwi lakho ke lenza umsebenzi ophelele. Ilona loyo lizwayo malibe imbewu engabhubhi kuye lithele isithelo 30-fold, 60-fold, 100-fold. Sivula amehlo kamoya, sivula indlebe zikamoya egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu. Amen.
Amen.
So last time uma si kule ndaba lena ke mhlambe vele sivele singene endabeni. Sibheka intshumayelo yasentabeni, the Sermon on the Mount. Siyesafunda amavesi la from verse number 1 to 48. Namhlanje bengicela nje ukuthi mhlambe sifunde from verse number 1 to 20 and then ke sikwazi ukuthi singene kuloko esizokhuluma ngakho namhlanje. Siyafunda ke Matthew chapter number 5 from verse number 1 to 20. Kuthiwa lana ke, seeing the multitudes, he went up on a mountain, and when he was seated, his disciples came to him. Then he opened his mouth and taught them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be filled. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted for righteousness' sake, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when they revile you and persecute you and say all kinds of evil against you falsely for my sake. Rejoice and be exceedingly glad, for great is your reward in heaven. For so they persecuted the prophets who were before you. You are the salt of the earth, but if the salt loses its flavor, how shall it be seasoned? It is then good for nothing but to be thrown out and trampled underfoot by men. You are the light of the world. A city that is set on a hill cannot be hidden. Nor do men light a lamp and put it under a basket, but on a lampstand, and it gives light to those who are in the house. Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father who is in heaven. Do not think that I came to destroy the law or the prophets. I did not come to destroy, but to fulfill. For assuredly I say to you, till heaven and earth pass away, not one jot or one tittle will by no means pass from the law until all is fulfilled. Whoever therefore breaks one of this least of the commandments and teaches men so shall be called least in the kingdom of heaven. Whoever does and teaches them shall be called great in the kingdom of heaven. For I say to you, unless your righteousness exceeds the righteousness of the scribes and Pharisees, you will by no means enter the kingdom of heaven. So namhlanje sigcina la ku verse number 20 ukufunda nje kuphela, but ke kuningi sizokhuluma ngako, but namhlanje bengifisa ukuthi sibuyele kule ndaba esigcine ngayo lapha ya ku verse number 1 la uJesu athi khona ke la lithi khona when he saw the multitudes, he went up on a mountain and his disciples came to him. So sikhulumile last time ukuthi ke le ndaba leyo kuba umfundi igama nje lithi disciple livela 274 times in the New Testament. Lokho kubonisa ukuthi i-topic serious. So wonke umuntu okholwayo ufanele understand indaba yokuba umfundi. Now ngiyakukhuthaza lapha ekhaya ukuthi ke iba umfundi weBhayibheli, zifundele iBhayibheli. Namhlanje ngisakhuthaza futhi and walandelele amazwi uJesu awakhulumayo, ungawa ignore. That's why eBhayibhelini amazwi akhulunywa uJesu highlighted abomvu, especially uma ufunda ama translation we-English, amagama akhulunywa uJesu abomvu, so it's easy to see them. So walandelela amagama uJesu awakhulumile. Now into engifisa namhlanje ke silandelele, ngiyazi ukuthi last time bengithe sizobheka indaba yokuthi ke uma uJesu ethi unless your righteousness exceeds that of the scribes, you will not enter the kingdom of heaven. Kusho ukuthi fanele sibazi abafarisi ukuthi banjani, so that sizolwela ukungafani nabo, but ukulunga kwabo thina sikudlule. So ke namhlanje asikazuya lapho, kodwa bengifisa ukuthi silandelele indaba yokuba umfundi. Njobe ethi ke lithi iBhayibheli, he went up on a mountain and his disciples came to him. So yini lento yokuba umfundi? What does it mean to be a disciple? So ngizama ukuchaza lokho nje namhlanje, so that wonke umuntu understand ukuthi ukuba umfundi kubaluleke kangakanani. Asibizelwanga uba ama church members eqinisweni. uJesu akafuna ama church members, ufuna abafundi. Yawa, so ke umuntu angaba a church member but angabe umfundi. So ke lana sikhuluma ngalento uJesu afuna yenzeke. Asambe ke siyofunda lapha yami incwadi kaMatthew chapter number 4 verse number 18 to 22. Lithi ke, and Jesus walking by the sea, he saw two brothers, Simon called Peter and Andrew his brother, casting a net into the sea, for they were fishermen. Then he said to them, follow me, and I will make you fishers of men. Then immediately they left their nets and followed him. And going on from there, he saw two other brothers, James the son of Zebedee and John his brother, in a boat with Zebedee their father, mending their nets. He called them, and immediately they left the boat and their father and followed him. La esifunda khona i-concept ye-discipleship iqala la. This is where Jesus is calling his first disciples. So siqala ukubona le concept la uJesu meyiqala. Kuthiwa wayehamba ngasolwandle. So as he was walking, he saw two brothers, uPeter no Andrew. And uJesu ubathola ba busy bayadoba. And uthi uJesu kubo, follow me and I will make you fishers of men. Kuthiwa immediately bashiya amanetha wabo and bamlandela. Immediately. Ngamanye amazwi lento yokuba umfundi kaJesu into ongafanelanga lokuyipostpone. Funa usheshe. Because isikhathi asikho ngakuwe. uJesu uthi follow me, and immediately they followed him ngaleso sikhathi. So sibona lento ukuthi ukuba umfundi kaJesu ubizo is a calling, because he called them. Kusho ukuthi the first calling ekhona is a calling to be a disciple, before a calling of being a pastor. Kusho ukuthi it's a problem if umuntu azobizwa to be a pastor and was never called to be a disciple. Ngoba awukwazi ukuba umfundisi ongazange wafundiswa. Awukwazi ukulandelwa ungazange wake walandela. So ukuthi umuntu uzolandelwa kanjani kuncike kutheni yena ulandele kanjani. Ukuthi yena uzoba i-lead enjani kusho ukuthi yena uholwe kanjani. So i-calling number 1 is not a calling to be a Christian. Cha. It's not a calling to be a church member, but it is a calling to be a disciple. Kusho ukuthi umuntu mefike ebandleni ufanele lo muntu loyo understand ukuthi uJesu ufuna abafundi. And lento yokuba umfundi ungaloku ipostpone ukuthi ngizobuye ngibone. Fanele uyenze ngaleso sikhathi. So kuthiwa ke bashiya amanet. Labantu abathola besebenza uJesu. Bebhiza azange bathi kuJesu esilinde kancane isiqedelele ukudoba ngoba besingakaqedi. Kuthiwa they left their nets and followed him. Waqhubeka uJesu wathola futhi other two brothers, uJames okonje kune James lately emfongathi kuzofanele ulandele as soon as possible and John his brother. Kuthiwa babe nobaba wabo ke lapha. So laba bokuqala babodwa, laba banobaba wabo. So nabo kuthiwa they were mending their nets. So ke and uma efika uJesu akabizi everybody, ubiza laba these two brothers. So uyamyeka ubaba, ubiza these two brothers. So lithi ke he called them, And then immediately nabo they left a boat and they left their father. Yayibona lento yokuba umfundi ukuthi njani?
Yeah,
Kusho ukuthi mawuzoba umfundi ufuna ube willing to leave something. Bayekela ukudoba, bayekele imkhumbi, bayekela ubaba wabo balandela. Kusho ukuthi umuntu ozoba ngumfundi oright, umuntu ofanele azimisela ukuthi khona izinto azohlukana nazo. Ngoba ukwazi ukulandela uJesu uthwele into zakho. Awukwazi ukulandela uJesu unezinye izinto ezingama priority kuwe.
Hambele neboat.
Yeah, uthi Jesu ngiyakulandela kodwa ke ngicela ukuhamba nomkhumbi wami. Cha, uma uzomla phela umkhumbi asiyibheke lento. Number 1 uJesu awumazi uzohamba phi. And umkhumbi awuhamba endleleni. So obviously ukwazi ukumlandela nomkhumbi wakho. So khona izinto ofuna zisale. Bonke abantu abahambe faithful noJesu la emhlabeni bangakutshela istory ukuthi bashiye ini. Akekho umuntu ongashiya lutho. Akekho umuntu ukulandela uJesu ongazange kwamcosta. Wonke umuntu kumcostile ukulandela uJesu. So kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi sibona now the nature of being a disciple. Ukuthi number 1 it is a calling. Ubizo lolu. And since it is a calling, kusho ukuthi umuntu ubizelwa ukulandela. So one must be willing to follow. And now kule ndaba yokulandela mawufunda u1 Corinthians chapter 11 uverse number 1 uPaul uthi ke follow my example as I follow the example of Christ. Kusho ukuthi now since uJesu esesezulwini kusadingeka abafundi emhlabeni. Kodwa umuntu ozokwazi ukulandela uJesu ufanele anake ukuthi ngoba uJesu mhlambe ke singakusho ukuthi ubengakamboni. Kodwa bekubalekile ukuthi umuntu ozolandela uJesu faithfully anake ukuthi ulandela umfundisi olandela uJesu. Utu Paul, follow me or follow my example as I follow Christ's example. Follow me as I follow Christ. Kusho ukuthi uPaul uthi ningade uma ngingasamlandela uJesu nani ningasangilandeli. Akakwazi umuntu ukulandela umfundisi kanti umfundisi akasalandela uJesu. So umfundisi ufanele simlandele as long as esalandela uJesu. Uma umfundisi engasalandela uJesu sine right yokungasamlandeli. Ngoba phela eqinisweni lonke we are still disciples of Christ. Ukuthi njengoba usezulwini kodwa lento kaJesu yokuthi silandela yena isesekhona. So umuntu esimlandelayo ufanele sithi simlandele ebe esikhomba uJesu. Kusho ukuthi naye siyambona ukuthi ulandela uJesu. So uPaul uthi ke follow me as I follow Christ. So ke ubizo lolu kodwa ubizo lokulandela. So as much as ulandela umuntu omlandelayo mbheke naye phela ukuthi lo muntu omlandelayo yena ulandela bani. Ngoba kungenzeka mhlawumbe ulandela iconstitution akalandela uJesu, mhlawumbe ulandela idoctrine ethile hayi uJesu. Iissue la akusiyo ukuthi siyasonta, iissue ukuthi silandela bani. So kuthiwa ke la ku 2 Timothy chapter 2 verse number 2 uPaul ukhuluma noTimothy uthi ke and the things that you have heard from me among many witnesses commit these to faithful men who will be able to teach others also. Kusho ukuthi enye izinto ebalekile kubafundi, wonke umuntu oba umfundi. Mawumfundi you must be willing to transfer what you are learning. Into itholayo nawe idlulise. So Paul utshela uTimothy uthi izinto ozizwe kimi phakathi kofakazi abaningi nawe thola abantu abathembekile ukuthi uzidlulisele kubo. Kusho ukuthi lento yokuba umfundi ukuze ube umfundi othembekile ufanele ukuthi yonke into oyifundayo nawe uthola abantu ozoba fundisa. Awukwazi ukuthi ufundiswe wena ungafundisi umuntu. Kusho ukuthi wena yonke information iphelela kuwe. Yonke into oyifundiswa ayiphelela kuwe. Into engiyifundile mina kule ndlela yokukholwa ukuthi uma izinto oyifundayo ungazidlulisi nawe ziyakulahlekela. Into zikamoya. If into oyifundayo wena ungayidluliseli kwabanye nawe iyakulahlekela le nto leyo. Kusho ukuthi akusizi kuba stingy ngezinto zikaNkulunkulu. Uma zizokusebenzela zikusebenzela ngesikhathi usidlulisa. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi ngesinye isikhathi kwenzeka ukuthi izwi likaNkulunkulu uma ngilifunda ngingali understand ngalendlela ebekufanele ngili understand ngayo until ngibe willing ukulitshela omunye. Ngoba liyizwi likaNkulunkulu noma ngingali understand kodwa lona yilo. So ngesikhathi ngilitshela wena ngithola ukuthi sengikhona ukul understanda better. Kodwa lesikhathi ngiligcinile ngithi hey le verse angifuni ukubatshela ngalo ngizitholele nami ngiyalahlekela. So kusho ukuthi lento kaNkulunkulu siyinikelwe ukuthi idlulele kwabanye. Yingakho ivangeli na ungabheka lihamba slow. Why? Because kushoda abafundi, kushoda abantu abazothi nabathola into bayidlulisa. Kushoda abantu okuzothi uma kade asenkonzweni Sunday, Monday azinika umsebenzi wokudlulisa lento ayizwe Sunday ayitshela abanye, ngoba uma engayitshela abanye nayo iyamlahlekela. That's why kuze kube ngathi ukukholwa akuncedi akumsiza umuntu. Why? Because yonke into ayifundiswayo yena akadluliseli umuntu, iphelela la kuye. So this is how discipleship works. Yabo. So sikhuluma ngento yani yokuba umfundi. Why? Because we are called to be disciples. So umfundi ukuba umfundi ubizo. Now kulokufunda ke sifunda kubani noma mhlambe sifunda kanjani? Sifunda kuNkulunkulu. Asizwe izwi lenkosi lithini. John chapter number 6 verse 45. It is written in the prophets, and they shall all be taught by God. Yayizwa manje. They shall all be taught by God. Kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyafundisa naye. Uma ngabe sizoba ngabafundi aba right, kufanele sibe willing ukufundiswa uNkulunkulu. Khona izinto ongeke uzithole emntwini, kodwa uNkulunkulu direct ayenze njani? Akufundise. So fanele inhliziyo yakhe ivuleke ukuthi uNkulunkulu akufundise. Kuthiwa ke they shall be taught by God. Therefore everyone who has heard and learned from the Father comes to me. So uJesu uthi ke bonke abantu abazwile bafunda kuBaba, labo bantu beza kimi mina Jesu. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi ufuna ukusitshela ukuthi akekho umuntu ongathi uthole isambulo esivela kuNkulunkulu bese yena lowo muntu reject uJesu. Ngoba uJesu indodana kaNkulunkulu, yena noBaba bamunye. So uNkulunkulu angeke akhuluma into ezokwenza abantu basuke kuJesu, kunaloko uzokhuluma into eletha abantu kuJesu. So ke yingakho uma umuntu ethi ayi mina ngikhonza uNkulunkulu, uJesu indaba yakhe angizwa kahle, ulahlekile vele. Ngoba ukwazi ukuthi wazi uNkulunkulu
mayithini baba Maseko.
Bakhona abantu abaye bathi bona bakhonza uNkulunkulu kodwa uJesu abakholelwa kuye. Lukhona uhlobo lwabantu abanjalo. uJesu abamboni as a son of God, abamboni as God, bambona as a prophet. So they undermine uJesu kodwa bathi bakhonza uNkulunkulu. Manje uJesu uthi ke hayi bonke abantu abafundiswe uNkulunkulu uBaba, labo bantu bazobonakala ngani? Ukuza kuJesu. Yayibona? So ke asiqhubeke sifunde. Sikhuluma ngani la? Sikhuluma ngokuthi uNkulunkulu uyabafundisa abantu. Khona izinto esizifunda kuye. Uthi ke verse Ephesians chapter 5 verse number 1 and 2. Therefore be imitators of God. Yamuzwa? Ibani ngabalingisa uNkulunkulu. Be imitators of God as dear children. Yayibona manje? Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi abantwana bakaNkulunkulu bafanele mabefunda iBhayibheli bakwazi ukumuzwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi uthini, bamlingisele njengabantwana. Umntwana wakho okuningi akwenzayo ukubone ngawe. Yingakho umntwana wakho kaningi akathathi izinto ezishoyo, uthatha izinto zenzayo. Ngoba ufunda kalula ngokubuka. Uyabona? Yingakho nezinto ezishoyo uma eqala ukufunda ukhuluma amagama awazwe ngawe. So he's an imitator. So kuthiwa ke la be imitators of God as dear children and walk in love, yeah, as Christ also has loved us. So be imitators of God. Bheka lithini iBhayibheli, John 3:16, kuthiwa for God so loved the world and he gave his only son, right, that whosoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life. So if God loved us, then we must imitate God. Uyayithola manje? Siyamlingisela, simbone enzani, simbone ethanda. So kusho ukuthi akekho umuntu ongathi yena wazana noNkulunkulu, ukhonza uNkulunkulu kodwa enganathando. Ngoba lithi iBhayibheli uNkulunkulu walithanda izwe waze wanikela. So la kuthiwa yibani ngabalingisa uNkulunkulu, nenze njani? Nihambe othandweni. Kusho ukuthi isikolo okufanele bonke abantu abakholwayo abazibiza ukuthi abafundi ke manje baka Jesu, isikolo sokuqala, into yokuqala ufuna bayipractice yini? Uthando. Yini indaba? Yikuthi uNkulunkulu walithanda izwe. So nabo kuthiwa and walk in love as Christ also loved us. So no Christ wasithanda and he gave himself for us, wazinikela ngenxa yethu, as an offering and a sacrifice to God for a sweet and smelling aroma. So kwaba iphunga elimnandi. Kusho ukuthi uthando luphusha umuntu ukuthi enze ama sacrifices. Uthando luphusha umuntu ukuthi abe umuntu wezenzo ezinhle, enzela abanye abantu. Angahlangani neverse mina elithi thandwa. Ngihlangane nelithi thanda.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa.
Njoba abantu bezulazula ke bethi bafuna uthando. Kahle kahle yibona abanezikweletu okufanele bafunde ukuthanda abanye. So bafanele bafunde kuNkulunkulu bese bona bapractice kwabanye abantu. So akekho umuntu okweleta omunye la. Mina ngikweleta wena ukuthanda wena. Kodwa mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngithi wena uyangikweleta. Ukuthi mangabe ungangithandanga sengithi wena wenze wrong. Cha, nawe isikwelete sakho esibhekene nawe, kodwa angikwazi ukuthi mina ngithi wena uyangikweleta ukungithanda. Cha, yimini okweleta wena. Kusho ukuthi uma mina ngike ngahlangana nawe, fanele nasihlukana. Into engamani sale nawe noma ezinye ungazange uzibambe, usale nento ukuthi mara lo muntu ngathi uyangithanda lo. Mangabe ungeke uhlangane nomuntu okholwayo, usale nale impression yothando. Noma amavesi ngaba maningi, kodwa mangabe ungasalanga neimpression yokuthi hey lo muntu ebenginaye namhlanje ngathi uyangithanda, then kusho ukuthi kunenkinga serious. Ngoba kuthiwa be imitators of God and walk in love. Why? Because Christ also loved us. So sifunda uNkulunkulu walithanda izwe wanikela ngoJesu. So uJesu simbona esifela. And uma ngabe esifela singamthembisanga nokuthi sizomkhonza, wasifela. Kusho ukuthi nathi we must be willing to go an extra mile in loving others. Uthando lwethu lungabe into omlomo. Bangaka abantu abashayiwe beshawa abantu abathi bayabathanda. Phela ngaba yikho lento ebizwa iGPV. Kushayanana abantu abathanda nabashayana. Why? Because abazi ukuthi uthando lusho ukuthini. Uma bangafika kulento yothando lwangempela, iGPV ingaziphelela. Ngeke iqedwe ama campaign, izoqedwa ukuthi abantu babe ama imitators of God. Uma abantu bemasha against iGPV, ngesikhathi bemasha beyalinga lestrata, ngapha kuyashaywana emva labasuka khona. Sometimes abamashayo lapha phakathi kwabamashayo bama abusers self. Uzoyithini? So kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi umfundi into enye izinto ufuna ayifunde ukufunda uthando. Kodwa sifundiswa ubani? uNkulunkulu. 1 Peter chapter 1 verse number 15 kuthiwa la, but as he who called us is holy, you also be holy in all your conduct. So enye izinto fanele siyibambe yini? Ubungcwele, indlela esiphila ngayo. Kuthiwa be holy in all your conduct. Inkambo yethu, i-lifestyle yethu ifanele ikwazi ukuveza uNkulunkulu, ibe ngcwele. Why? Because verse number 16 uthi, because it is written, be holy for I am holy. uNkulunkulu ungcwele nani ibani ngcwele. Kusho ukuthi sifunda uthando, sifunda ukuba ngcwele. Izinto ezibalekile kule ndlela yokukholwa. Abantu abathi bangabantwana bakaNkulunkulu, bangabafundi bakaJesu, bafanele bayibambe lento. Ukuthi ke sifunda ini? Uthando, sifunda ubungcwele. Siyafunda kuJesu. Sifunda kuBaba uNkulunkulu, sifunda kuJesu futhi. Sifunda nake sizwe. Uthi la uJesu, Matthew chapter 11 verse number 28 to 30. Come to me, you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. So bonke abantu abakhathele abasindwayo, lempilo iyakhathaza le. Lempilo iyakhathaza, lempilo iyahlukumeza. Why abantu bezibulala? Why abantu bakuma depression? Why abantu begula nama chronic disease? Is because bayasindwa emphefumulweni. Ama chronic disease amaningi angumphumela womthwalo wasemphefumulweni. Umuntu usindwa kumoya. That's why into yakhe ayilungi ngamaphilisi. Umane bamnikeza into yokuthi ingamanager. So umuntu ophethwe i-chronic disease fanele kulunge emphefumulweni. Makulunge emphefumulweni uzophola emzimbeni. Ngoba lo mzimba reacta kanje is because isifo sisemphefumulweni. That's why lama teachings esiza ngawo ama teachings esithi detox, soul medicine. Iphilisi lomphefumulo leli. Ngoba amaphilisi kadokotela lohlala umhamba awakwazi ukulapha umphefumulo wakho. Ngisho hamba ama psychologist bakutshela according to the book, not according to the Bible. Sometimes ululekwa umuntu naye oxakwe yilento akululeka kuyo. Ungamthemba wena umuntu ukuthi uzokusiza exakwe yilento nawe imxaki lento exakile imxakile naye. Kodwa uthi uzo advisor wena. So uJesu usinqobele. Uthi uJesu zanini kimi nina nonke nikhathele nenisindwa. Kusho ukuthi abantu okufanele beze kuJesu abantu abazazi ukuthi impilo ingishayile. Khathele ngiyasindwa. Ungayibulali. Ukhona uJesu ongakwazi ukukuthwalela. Uthi uJesu come to me and I will give you rest. And lokuphumula khuluma ngako akusukuphumula ukuthi hey ake ngiyolala ngiphumule. No, ukuphumula komphefumulo. Uthi take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your soul. Kusho ukuthi bonke abezabe khathele mase bafikile uJesu wenzani ubathula umthwalo. Right. Umekaqeda ukubathula umthwalo akafuni uJesu ukuthi uze kuye njengomuntu oze kaDokotela. Anti ka doctor yazi mawuye ka doctor vele noma ungathwa uhlele i-hour 2 hours 3 hours but ekugcineni uzohamba ekhaya. Akuhlalwa ka doctor. Mawuceda ukuthola i-medication the first thing wenza uphuma ngomnyango ka doctor. uJesu akathi mase nifikile kimi na once naphumula go home. Uthi take my yoke. Yambona ke manje. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi ufuna abafundi uJesu. Out of abantu abashawe impilo. Uthi uJesu ikushayela impilo uye wakuhlangana nezinkinga endleleni wahlukumezeka wazama ukusolve wahluleka wafuna ukuyibulala uJesu yafika uthi hayi ungazibulali. Manje uthi ke uJesu ngizokuphumuza. Mayeqeda uthi thatha ijoka lami ulibeke phezulu kwakho and learn from me. Yambona ke manje. Kusho ukuthi akusizi ukuthi uze kuJesu because unama problems. Mawuqeda uphinde uhambe wena ungasahlali kuJesu. Akafuni kanjalo. Ufuna ukuthi uze kuye nezinkinga zakho akuthula umthwalo bese umeqeda uJesu akunika ijoka lakhe. Yabo. Uyazi inkinga ekhona wena bhuti yini? Baningi abantu abaye bafika emasontweni ne bashunyezwe ivangeli and bamamukela uJesu. Yabona? Noma baqeda umamukela uJesu wabathula imthwalo baze basukuma bafakaza. Yo Nkosi yami yazi ngafika ngigula. Yazi uNkulunkulu ngiphilisile angithi yabona. Yo Nkosi yami yazi ngafika ngixakekile engasebenzi uNkulunkulu ngiphila umsebenzi. Izo zonke izinto uJesu azisolve lezo. Yo ngifika umshado wami uphela yazi uNkulunkulu restore yabo. So izinto ezenza uJesu zonke lezo. But iproblem nansi. Abese yekela uverse 29. Angathathi ijoka lika Jesu alibeke phezulu kwakhe. Aqhubeke la egcine khona. Ngibuza abantu abaningi ngalento le ukuthi umuntu othi uma sikubuza ukuthi ngesikhathi wamukela uJesu wazizwa kanjani. athi umuntu yo yazi kwakungathi kwehli itshe elikhulu emahlombami yayizwa bese sibuza ukuthi kwakunini athi yo yazi it's 5 years ago. All right ke siyabonga 5 years ago. Usalizwa yini usabuzwa yini lobulula lokuyakhululeka owakuzwa that day? Usakuzwa na? Usakuzwa yini lobulula? Yazi abaningi bathini yo kunzima kakhulu kunaqala manje. Yini indaba? It's because umuntu ufike wamkela uJesu wamthula umthwalo. Yena lo othula umthwalo wangaza alithatha ijoka lika Jesu alibeke kuye. Ngoba ijoka lika Jesu liyakusiza ukuthi lezi zinto ebekade zikuhlupha uma zibuya zingayitholi indawo. Khona into ebizwa housekeeping. Housekeeping isho ukuthi there's a place for everything and everything is in its place. That is housekeeping. Kusho ukuthi la endlini mayiqeda kwakhiwa indlu fane kwaziwe ukuthi leli room esikulo elani.
Hlala ini.
Yini ehlala la? Leli akuhlala ini, leli akuhlala ini. Wonke ama room ukuze uma izinto zingena manje as furniture everything must be in its place. So there's a place for everything and everything must be in its place. Uma ke ngelinye ilanga so uya decide ukuthi hayi man yazi akusafuna ukubeka amasofa ngapha ngifuna ukuwabeka ngale. Ayikho inkinga, ungakushintsha ngithi wena ophethe. Kodwa if awufaki lutho la ukhiphe khona.
Yes.
Ngelinye ilanga lento wayikhipha la uzoyibona sewuyibuyisile futhi. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi uma uJesu ekuthula umthwalo la bekunomthwalo khona kuseli space. Ene loyo mthwalo bowuthwaliswa ubani? USathane ongakufuni ongakuthandi. Wakuthula umthwalo uJesu wazizwa sewukhona ukulala ebusuku wayezwa ulula yonke into imnandi. Yo wa enjoy impilo. Nkosi yami ngangazi ukuthi kumnandi kangaka ukuphila. But ngoba uthathanga ijoka lika Jesu walibeka phezulu kwakho. Lokuthi awulithathanga. Uthi uJesu kuMatthew chapter 12 uthi uma umoya uphuma emntwini umoya omubi amadimoni. Well ke mhlambe abanye abantu bangathatha ukuthi amadimoni kusho ukuthi uyahlanya. Anything engakuphathi kahle inomoya ehamba nawo. So kuhlukumezeka noma kwalopho uhlobo. Uma uJesu efika uSathane uthi impahla zakhe aphuma hambe. Kodwa uma ngabe loyo muntu uthi uJesu uma ngabe lo moya uphumile uyahamba uzulazulu ufuna izindawo ezomile la ungahlala khona. Uthola ukuthi awutholi indawo bese uyabuya lo moya owaphuma kulomuntu uzochecka la wakhishwa khona ukuthi kunjani. Mawufika lo moya uthola ukuthi hey kuhle ku clean. Why? Because uJesu ushanyelile. Kodwa kutholakala ukuthi akuhlali umuntu. Kusho ukuthi lo muntu akayenzanga icommitment to follow. Akaphathwanga uziphethe. So akabuswa uJesu uziphethe. Kodwa ushanyeliwe. Bese lithi uthi uJesu ke loyo moya loyo awubusangena. Kodwa uyahamba uyobiza abanye abomoya abafana nawo lo. Abawes abawu7 babuye bazongena kulo muntu bese ukugcina kwakhe kube worse than ukuqala kwakhe. Kusho ukuthi is a high risk ukuthi umuntu amkele uJesu kodwa angalithathi ijoka lika Jesu ngoba once ungalithathi ijoka lika Jesu lento yakhishwa kuwe izobuya. Mayibuya izobuya seyiworse. Uthola ukuthi izinto ezazikuhlupha kudala sezikuhlupha worse manje. Why? Because lesasikhathi uJesu akuthila umthwalo awuzange uthatha ijoka lakhe. So uJesu uthi take my yoke upon you and learn from me. Kusho ukuthi uJesu uthi fundani kimi khona izinto engizonifundisa zona. For I am gentle, I am meekness. Yazi meekness yini? It is the right use of power. Umuntu one authority ukuthi une authority so kumbeke ku position manje yokuthi angaba tempted to abuse authority. Yabo? So uJesu uthi I am meek. Ngamanye amazwi ngithobekile but nginamandla, nginegunya kodwa ngeli abuse. Is the right use of power. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi uthi uJesu, if uyi-parent, parenting must be with meekness ukuze unga-abuse abantwana. If uthisha esikolweni, teaching must follow meekness ukuze unga-abuse abantwana esikolweni. If uyi-boss emsebenzini, ngoba une-authority, you must have meekness ukuze unga-abuse abasebenzi. Ngoba kulula uku-abuse abantu abaphansi kunawe. uJesu uthi fundani kimi ngoba ngimkhulu kodwa ngehlile. So namhlanje challenge enkulu ekhona ebantwini baphakeme abantu. Umuntu okholwayo uhlangana naye akufilise. Uzizwe nothing. Phakathi komuntu okholwayo ogcotshiwe, but uzizwe ukuthi yo Nkosi yami, hey I'm nothing kulo muntu. Yena uzizwa mnandi, kodwa iqiniso kusho ukuthi akafundanga kuJesu. Ngoba uJesu he was gentle, he was meek. That's why uJesu bengase umuntu we-status. Njoba namhlanje kune status. uJesu behamba nanoma ubani. Namhlanje kunabantu abazothi angizuhamba nobani because akekho ayisi type yami. Akekho ku level yami. Yini ulack meekness. uJesu ungena kwaZakewu. Yayibona imeekness imenzani? Uyinkosi yamakhosi. Ulandelwa zicuku. Uyahlonishwa, mara uyakwazi ukungena endlini yomuntu oyisoni. Afika ahlale naye uJesu. Angamjaji futhi, amthande. uZakewu washayeka athi, "Yo, lo baba wangithanda." Avela athi, "Ngiyayamukela into yalo baba." Ashayeka enhlizweni uZakewu. uZakewu akashunyezwanga, wathandwa.
Sure.
Uthando lukaJesu alilethela kuZakewu, uZakewu kwamenza aphenduke. Athi uZakewu, "Nkosi, bengicela ukukutshela, nginabantu engibarobhile mina."
Engabuzwanga.
Engabuzwanga. Wathi bathi ngizobabuyisela into zabo, Nkosi, ngizobabuyisela. Futhi ngizobhadala ne-interest mina, Nkosi. Nezinto enginazo ngizoqala manje ngishare nabampofu. Why? Ushawe uthando lukaJesu. Kodwa uJesu azange amshumayeza. Weza nje wathi ngifuna ekhaya lakho. uZakewu bekangacabanga ukuthi uJesu angangena kwakhe. That's why uZakewu waye esihlahleni wagibela phezulu efuna just ukumbona. uJesu wathi, "Shesha wehle ngoba namhlanje ngifuna ukuya kwakho. Shesha wehle." Ngoba uma uJesu akade angamhlisanga uZakewu esihlahleni, yazi bekuzoqala idoctrine enjani? Idoctrine ebezoqala lapha. Bezothi uma ufuna ukubona uJesu, khuphuka. Phakama.
Wabe ihlahla sina.
Yayibona? So abantu bonke bebazophakama ngoba befuna ukubona uJesu. Na ufuna ukumbona uyehla.
Yebo.
Uyehla, na ufuna ukubona uJesu uyehla. Awuphakama uyehla.
Abantu bezothi siyabu, "Mafuna ukubona uJesu kahle."
Yeah.
Njengozake kumele uphakame.
Ya uphakame, uyabona? So kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi uJesu uma ufuna ukumbona, lahli pride. Ilahli pride ngoba akanayo yena. So uma ngoba une pride, vele you have missed the mark. Waba ne pride, ngeke umbone uJesu, ngeke umbone. Kusho ukuthi it's like ube ku asithi eCarlton Center. Yayibona inde kanjani eCarlton Center? Inde kanjani? So ube ne appointment nomuntu eCarlton Center. Uyazi ungamfuna kushona ilanga, ungamtholi. Because anikho ku same level. Mhlawumbe kule wena la phansi uyafuna, "Hey, angikabona usibani bani bathi hayi sikamboni." But alokhu uyafuna athi hayi ngikhona la ku building, bheka kahle, but anikho ku same level. So kusho ukuthi ukhona umuntu ongaba sebandleni kodwa ipride imenza angahlangani noJesu. Ngenxa ye-attitude yakhe. Ipride. Yabo. So isikole esiserious uma uhamba noJesu, isikole sokwehla. Ni right?
Yes, right.
So uthi ke I'm gentle and lowly in heart. Yes, ngithobekile ngenhliziyo kusho uJesu. So izinto efuna sizifunde kuye ukuthi sithobeke ngenhliziyo, sibe mnene. And uthi you will find rest for your soul. Kusho uthi this rest for your soul, you can't find this rest with pride. Uzohlukumezeka kule ndlela ukukholwa uma une pride. Uzoba nezithembiso uJesu ayishilo singafezeki. Umangale why ungayiboni le favor icabanga ukuthi uzoyibona kanti no. Uyishawa ipride nje. So mawufuna ukulandela uJesu uyehla. Right. Uthi ke for my yoke is easy, my burden is light. uJesu usho njalo uthi ijoka lami lilula nomthwalo wami awukho nzima. That's why kuyinqake uma sizizwa sisindwa umsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu. Fanele sizibuze imibuzo. Why usindwa umsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu? Ngoba kusho yena lo Jesu esimlande la wathi my yoke is easy, my burden is light. So mangabe soyasindwa check ukuthi uphetheni. Mhlambe lo mthwalo ophetha kusika Jesu uzithwese wona. Khona izinto ezinhle sizenzayo egameni lika Jesu ezinhle kakhulu kodwa akasithuma ngazona. Zinhle kakhulu ziyancomeka siyazenza lezi zinto egameni lika Jesu kodwa asithunywanga uye ukuzenza. That's why is a stress. Right. John chapter number 13 verse number 12 siyaqhubeka. John chapter 14 verse number 12. Kuthiwa la, so when he had washed their feet and taken his garments, he sat down again and he said to them, do you know what I've just done to you? You call me teacher and Lord, and you say, well, for I am. Okay? Ilesa sikhathi uJesu efika ewasha abafundi bakhe izinyawo. Yakhumbula? Wabageza inyawo mayefika kuPetro, uPetro athi Nkosi ngeke mina ungiwasha, angifuni mina Nkosi ngeke ngivuma ukuwasha uwe. uJesu wathi I understand lento engishoyo. Mawungafuni ukuthi ngugeze mina nawe asinabudlelwane. uPetro wabuya wathi hayi ngigeze nekhanda konke. Wathi cha awungcolanga kwenye indawo, indaba iseyinyaweni. Manje uma eseqedile ukubageza uJesu kuthiwa ke manje uthi ke esehleli phansi uthi neqonde lento engiceda ukuyenza kini. I think they understand ukuthi wenzani. So uthi ke uJesu ningibiza ukuthi mfundisi Nkosi. You call me teacher and Lord. Nenza kahle ngoba vele nginguye. Bese athi ku verse number 14. If I, your Lord, yabona manje ngiyayibuka lento. Uthi uJesu nina nithi I am your teacher and your Lord. Mina ke Jesu ngithi uma ngiyinkosi useqala ngale. Bona baqala ngale ukuthi is a teacher and Lord. Yena uJesu uthi I am your Lord. Qala and your teacher. Kusho uthi kungenzeka umuntu ambuka uJesu engumfundisi wakhe kodwa angambone inkosi yakhe. Amfundise nje ayithatha ama teachings kaJesu kodwa angafuni ukubuswa uye. So lento yokubuswa uJesu ize kamva. uJesu ibeka phambili into ukuthi I am your Lord. Kusho ukuthi ufanele abe inkosi kuqala. Fanele umvuma abe inkosi kuqala. So uthi ke I am your Lord and teacher and have washed your feet. Mina ngiyinkosi futhi ngiyumfundisi wenu. Nganigeza izinyawo. Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi uthi uJesu ngimkhulu kunani ngoba phela nibheke kimi. And mina ngimkhulu ngiguqe phansi mina. Nganigeza nonke bafundi bami izinyawo. You also ought to wash one another's feet. Nifaneleke nani manje nigezane. Uyazi mina ngiyacabanga ukuthi uJesu mayeqeda ubageza omunye nomunye wayecabanga ukuthi uJesu uzobe sethi ke alright ubani ufuna ukugeza mina. Ngiyacabanga bekuzoba netraffic. Itraffic yokugeza uJesu. Ngoba phela asikhulume lento. Uma upresident wase South Africa engathi umpholishela icathulo ungala
hey ngeke
yayibona
ngayibona iqwebeza
uyayizwa ke alright uma umntwana ofunde primary grade 1 or grade R ethi ngicela ungipholishela icathulo ungayenza le nto with the same attitude obuzoyenza ngayo ku president uyayibona ke iproblem ke is right there. Kusho ukuthi uJesu addressa lento manje ukuthi mina ngimkhulu kodwa nginegeze izinyawo. Beni expect ukuthi nina nigeze mina. Kodwa mina ngigeze nina. Nina ke gezanani. Angazi noma lento bayenza. Ngoba itest seriously ukuthi lo muntu obumbuka as your colleague or sometimes umbuke as inferior to you. It's just that sikhonza sonke. Kodwa akhima ngimbheka ngingcono kunaye. uJesu athi hamba ukuyomgeza inyawo. Yayizwa ke lesisikolo.
Isikole esikhulu.
So kunzima ukugeza umuntu ophansi kunawe. Mawuphase leso sikolo then kusho uphasa iklasi lika Jesu. Ngoba kulula ukugeza umuntu ophezulu kunawe. Mangabe upresident engathi uzogeza wena ungalala kodwa ebusuku.
Hey ngeke neinyawo ngaye ngibheka.
Uyayizwa ke manje. Because I mean ubheka lo muntu ugezile.
Nede izogezwa. Engafica vele seyigeziwe kwazi.
Yabona. But uJesu uthi ke ngiyenzile ngimkhulu. Kusho ukuthi usifundisa uJesu ukuthi you must learn to serve one another. Mangabe umuntu oyinkosi phakathi kwenu. Mawuzizwa ngathi umkhulu shona phansi. Ngoba ubukhulu buzwa la kuwe. Uzwa la enhlizweni ukuthi ungcono, uzizwa la kuwe. So na uzizwa ukuthi ungcono. Ngaso leso sikhathi lwela ukwehla. Ngoba i-temptation yakokota eminyango manje. Ye pride. So uthi uJesu ke uma mina ngiyinkosi nomfundisi wenu nganigeza inyawo geza nani. For I have given you an example that you should do as I have done to you. Lokho ngikwenze kini kwenzeni omunye komunye. Kusho ukuthi uJesu ubhekile manje ukuthi senzani after yena senzele. Kune testimony engayizwa ngobaba is it Chief Justice, the former Chief Justice. Uma bem interviewer ukuthi esazongena kule position. So ngezwe leyo interview uma ekhuluma ngestory sakhe ukuthi uma esakhule ekhaya bebe isesimweni esinzima kangakanani wayeza yosebenza esitoro seNdiya ukuthi bakhona ukuba nempupho ekhaya kodwa efunda esikolweni high school. Now uthi ke uma eseya ku tertiary wathola ukuthi akasakwazi manje ukuyosebenza lapha eNdiyeni ngoba uye tertiary. So at the same time uyadinga ukuthi athole usizo futhi nange tertiary. So wacela kulomndiya ukuthi ngicela ungisize ngokuyofunda tertiary uphinde ungisize futhi lapha ekhaya ukuthi while ngingekho bangalambi. Ndiya lathembeka wabanikeza ukudla ekhaya yena esesikolweni. But uma eseqedile isivumelwano bokuthi mangiqeda ngizokubhadala sengisebenza. So uthi ke uma ebuya esethi ke uzolungisa ama terms okubhadala. Lo baba weNdiya ke wayesemphendula wathi ke ungangikhokheli. Angifuni ukuthi ulethe kimi imali engayispenda for you. Kodwa into ongangibhadala ngayo ukuthi njengoba ngenze kuwe hamba uyokwenza kwabanye. Yangishaya ke lonto ngoba ngathi nali iklasi lika Jesu. uJesu akafuni sidlala istokfela.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngikusizile ngisize. Cha, uJesu ufuna ukuthi uzifundise ukunceda abantu expecting nothing in return. Ngoba yena ubagezile kodwa akavuma ngabamgeze. Yebona? Zangathi ngoba nginigezile ngigezeni nami. Wathi geza nani? Kusho ukuthi uma ngabe kunomzalwane okugeza inyawo lo mzalwane loyo akusho ukuthi nawe ubhoqelekele ukuthi ugeze yena futhi kodwa nawe hamba ugeza abanye. And abantu on a test serious yokubageza yilaba abaphansi kunawe. So it's an example. Uthi ke uJesu, most assuredly I say to you, a servant is not greater than his master, nor he who is sent greater than him who sent him. So uJesu uthi inceku ayinkulu nenkosi yayo. So uma ngabe inkosi yenzile lento then ke wena uma uyinceku why ungayenzi? ngoba inkosi yakhe iyenzile. Uma ngabe uthi uJesu inkosi yakho and inkosi yakho yehlile, wena uhlulwa yini ukwehla? Yini wena ungehli wenze njengenkosi yakho ngoba awumkhulu? Kusho ukuthi uJesu ufuna ukusitshela ukuthi bonke abantu abangafuni ukwehla abamfuzanga akasinkosi yabo, ngoba inkosi inceke ayinkulu kunenkosi yayo. So inceke ifunde enkosini yayo. So inkosi mayehlile kusho ukuthi nenceke mayenze njani? Mayehle inceke. Verse number 17 besathi ke uJesu, if you know these things, manizazi lezi zinto, blessed are you if you do them. So akwanele nje ukuthi uyazazi, ubusisiwe na uzenza. Kusho ukuthi lento yokuba umfundi iphethe ukuthi awufundi theory kunama practicals. Yonke into oyifundayo ufanele ulwele ukuyenza. So bonke abantu abathi singabafundi bakaJesu ufanele ufunde uthando. Isikole esikhulu, ufunda ukwehla, thobeka. Ufunda ukugeza abanye abantu inyawo, serving one another. Philippians chapter number 2 verse 5 to 11. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi lama verse sizogcina ngawo ngenxa yesikhathi sethu. Kuthiwa ke la, let this mind be in you which was also in Christ Jesus. Mawubekini lo womqondo owawukhona kuKristu Jesu, who being in a form of God did not consider it robbery to be equal with God. So wathi noma enesimo sibonkulunkulu azange akubuke kuyinto yokuphangwa ukulingana noNkulunkulu. Kusho ukuthi akasilwelanga isikhundla sakhe sobunkulunkulu uNkulunkulu, but he made himself of no reputation. Uyayizwa manje? Kusho ukuthi uJesu walahla ubunkulunkulu bakhe because he made himself of no reputation. Umuntu nakuthiwa akana reputation kusho ukuthi he is very low, akana status, umuntu nje. uJesu kuthiwa enguNkulunkulu, he made himself, ngoba lento le yokwehla iDIY akufanelanga wehliswe, fanele uzehlele. Uma ungazehleli wehliswa, it's gonna be painful. Now ufuna uNkulunkulu akuphakamise, funda ukuzehlela. So kuthiwa ke he made himself of no reputation, taking a form of a servant, wathatha isimo senceku, and coming in the likeness of men. So wathatha isimo senceku. That's why uJesu mefika emhlabeni kwamenyezelwa ukuthi kuzelwe umsindiso inkosi, kodwa azange behave as king, he behaved as a servant. Yabo? Azange avele wathi ngizongizela ukuzobusa, wafika waba isikhonzi. Lithi ke, and being found in appearance as man, he humbled himself and became obedient to the point of death. Kuthiwa wazithoba, walalela, ngoba umuntu ongumfundi kaJesu ufanele afuze uJesu. Wenze njani? Wazithoba, uyazehlisa, uyazithoba and uyalalela, noma ukulalela kwakhe kumkhosta. So uJesu walalela kwaze kwaba sekufeni. Kusho ukuthi uJesu kuya kwakhe esiphambanweni, it was obedience. Ngoba umesuka ezulwini wasuka elazi iplan ukuthi njoba wehla nje emhlabeni lapha ya awuyelanga lapho kuyoba inkosi, uyela ukuba inceko, uyela lapho uyosindisa abantu lapha fanele ubulawe, lapha ulengiswe esiphambanweni, wena ushaywe ukhunyulwe. Angisho yabona? So uza nje uyayazi lo program, and that's why it was not easy uma sekusondelela umalanga. That's why simbone eGetsemane ethandaza ethi baba uma lesi sitsha singeke sidlule ngasiphuzanga, intando yakho mayenzeke. Ngoba vele physically it was difficult, kodwa ube azi ukuthi I have to do the will of the Father. So uma uJesu ke walalela kwaze kwaba sekufeni, bonke abamlandelayo bafanele bangajiki. Ungamlandeli only when it suits you. Umlandele ngoba it's convenient for you. Umlandele because kunama benefits. No, mlandele even when it's going to cost you life. Yeah. So kuthiwa he humbled himself to the point of death, even death on the cross, because it was not just an ordinary death. Ukufa kaJesu esiphambanweni bekuwukufa kwehlazo. Umuntu obelengiswa esiphambanweni ubelengiswa ngoba is a worst criminal. So nabantu mabembheka lapha bathi sigebengu lesi uyabo. So akusukufa okunormal. Ukufa komuntu kwakungasinto engajwayelekile kodwa ukuthi ufe ngalendlela ukufa kwehlazo. So ke uJesu wavuma ukufa kwehlazo. Lithi ke therefore God has highly exalted him. Ngenxa yaloko uNkulunkulu wamphakamisa kakhulu and he gave him a name which is above every name. Wamnika igama eliphezulu kwamagama onke, that at the name of Jesus every knee should bow, and of those in heaven, those on earth, and those under the earth, and every tongue should confess that Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. Ngamanye amazwi lokuthi uzehlisile uNkulunkulu wamphakamisa kakhulu. Now bonke abantu abakholwayo bafanele bazi ukuthi uma ungazehlisa uzophakanyiswa uNkulunkulu. And uma uNkulunkulu ekuphakamisa, he knows the right time to exalt you. Uma ungeke uyivumele iprocess yokwehla, wehle until your lowest point of death. La khona kufa uself. Yabona uNkulunkulu usuke kusizile. La khona ufike la khona ungasanandaba nokuthi abantu bazothini. Ngoba uNkulunkulu uyakhola hambe nawe uwumfundi kaJesu, akuhambise ezikhathini la khona uzwa khona ukuthi yabona manje ngishayeke la ukuthi angisenandaba noma bangangihleka abantu as long as nginoJesu. Kodwa na ungakafiki lapho usalwela ukuthi ngifuna ukuzifihla, hayi awukafi. Umuntu ofila kana mahloni. Umuntu ofila kana ndaba bakithi. Umuntu ofila ka respondi. So he humbled himself to the point of death. Usuke sowufile kumina uma abantu bekuthuka usabathuka ibheke ufile kumina. Ufile kumina uma ngabe abantu beqamba amanga ngawe ungazidefend. Ufile ke manje. Kodwa umuntu osaphila ufuna ukuthi ngizoklina igama lami. Ngizoziprove ukuthi ngiright. Hayi usaphila loyo. Mase ufile kahle uvela uthule ngathi abasho kuwe kanti basho kuwe. Uthi uzazi kahle ukuthi bowungenza something to revenge yourself kodwa ukhetha ukuthula uthi hayi ngifuna ukufuza yena engimlandelayo uthe uma isitha sakho silambile siphe sidle. Yabona? So izinto lezi abafundi bakaJesu ufuna baziunderstand ukuthi ukuba umfundi kaJesu there's a price to pay. Kodwa into enkulu la ukuthi uthando libalekile, ukuzithoba kubalekile, wehle ufane noJesu. So mawunga-understand ukuthi ukwehla yini, funda lamazwi lawo. Philippians 2 verse 5 to 11 uzwe ukuthi kuthiwa lo mqondo wawukhona kuJesu mawubekini. So bonke abantu abathi singabafundi bakaJesu uzobonakala ngani? Ngokwehla. Uzikhohlwe, khohlwe reputation, khohlwe isikhundla sakho, khohlwe ukuthi ohlalaphi, khohlwe ukuthi emsebenzini bakuhlonipha kangakanani. Wehle. Ngesikhathi wehla uNkulunkulu yena uzokuphakamisa. Ngayo le ndlela enze ngayo uma uNkulunkulu ephakamisa uJesu ngenxa ukuthi uJesu wehlile. Ngicela ukuyibeka la namhlanje ngoba isikhathi sethu sesisho njalo. Vumeleni ngiyibeke la. uNkulunkulu anibusise kakhulu. Anithwale ngisakuncenga namhlanje zifundele iBhayibheli. Landelela amazwi kaJesu. Sizoqhubeka nale ndaba kodwa namhlanje bengicela ukuyibeka la. uNkulunkulu anibusise nonke emakhaya egameni likaJesu. Amen.
Amen. James, are we out or what?
We out.
We out.